Green Smoke by Farrow Ball. It's one of my favorites. I love green. I'm a sucker for green. I love this color so much that I used it twice in my basement, once on my walls and once on my laundry room cabinetry. I'll show you a little sneak peek of that in a little bit. I'm also going to review the best whites to pair with Green Smoke and some fabulous color combinations for your next decorating project. I'm Claire Jefford giving you color clarity. If you love color and design, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell below, and you'll be notified every time I publish a new video. Farrow Ball describe Green Smoke as a dark green. It doesn't look overly dark though, especially when you compare colors like I love to do here. I have Bancha here closest to me. That is number 298, a little more of like an army green, camouflage green. And then on the end, we've got Inchira Blue, number 289, which does have, it's blue, but it's also got green in it as well. So when you see these three colors, they all look very, very different to one another. My personal favorite, well, I'm a bit biased to the Green Smoke, but I also love Inchira Blue on the end. I'm gonna show you here now 3 whites that look beautiful with Green Smoke. So let's do this. The first one that I have up is Pointing. Pointing is number 2003. It's a little more creamy and just looks beautiful with Green Smoke. And here we have White Tie, number 2002, a little more of an off-white, looks stunning with Green Smoke. And the final white that I would suggest using with Green Smoke is here, and it is all white, number 2005, looks great. These are all 3 very different whites that you can see here from Farrow Ball, so make sure that you choose the best white for your project. Take a look at this beautiful palette here that I put together. This is an inspiration for my own laundry room. So here we've got Ball Green, and then we've got Mouse's Back, and then we've got Stiff Key Blue, which I have done a color review on, so go check that out. And on the end is the Green Smoke. So I found this wallpaper. I'm a little bit of a bird nerd, and this wallpaper has got, if you look very closely, it's got greens, it's got some blues, and then also a mixture of these 2 colors together within the birds. But the floor also brings in this Mouse's Back. So remember, just because I show you a color here, maybe it's a floor, maybe it's a tile. It's not necessarily all paint colors. We've only used 2 colors. We used green for the cabinetry in my laundry room, and we use the blue on the wall. I'm gonna show you that here, but forgive me, they are not professional photos yet. I'm not quite done. Comment below and tell me what you think of this color combination. Don't worry, I won't be offended if you don't love what I love, but that's where we get the conversation going, and you let me know, what would you pair with Green Smoke? Don't make a mistake when you choose your paint color for your next decorating project. Get my 5 free tips on making sure you choose the right paint color the first time. Links will be in the description below, and you'll also get 2 other free downloads. I'm Claire Jefford, helping you live beautifully in your home. I'll see you next time. Cheers!